Good morning, FS2. How are you all today? Hope everybody's fine. Today is Tuesday. It's April 21st, 2020. And are you ready for today's maths lesson? Great job. So for today, we are going to revise measurement. We will do revision about measurement. When we say measurement, okay, look at the picture. What are they doing? And look at the second picture. What is it? We will know more. But first, we need to know what is our objectives. Our learning objectives are to understand what a balance shows and to know the words heavy, heavier, light, lighter. Okay, so are you ready? But before we are going to move on, look at the two pictures. Now compare what is heavy and light basing on the two pictures. Okay? But first, I want you to watch a short video clip. It says there, dear parents, click the play button on the above video or search for the link for a video on heavy and light. This is the link. If you can't open, please just copy or you can search the link for heavy and light. Then after watching the video clip, I know you will understand already our learning objectives. Okay, if you are all ready, eyes and ears on me now. Okay, first is the word, let us compare the word heavy and heavier. Let us understand what is the meaning of the word heavy and heavier. Let us look at the first picture. Look at the man. What happened to the man? The man is carrying a heavy object. That's why he is now on the ground. And the second man is carrying a box. But look at the second man. The second man is still alert, walking, carrying the box. Now let's differentiate or compare the two men. Which one is having a heavy object and a heavier object? So we can say now that the second man, the man who is carrying a box, the box is heavy, but the first man the object is heavier. So he carried a heavier object than the second one. That is heavy and heavier. Let's have another example for light and lighter. What do we have? Yes, it's a feather. And it's a flower. So let's compare or differentiate the two pictures, feather and flower. So we can say now that the flower is light, but the feather is lighter than the flower. The feather is composed of smaller weight, lesser weight than the flower. So that is light and lighter. And let's have another example. So it says there, look at the given pictures, read the words, and say which is heavy and which is light. So we have here the picture, and this is a flower. Next, it is an elephant. Next, it's a rock. And next, it's a leaf. Okay, so we have flower, elephant, rock, and leaf. If the flower and the elephant, which is heavy and which is light? Yes, flower is light and elephant is heavy. Great job. Rock and leaf. So we can say that rock is heavy and leaf is light. So that is heavy and light. And how about heavier and lighter? Let us find out. What is this? It's a pencil. And what is this? Oh, it's your favorite. It's a fire truck. And it's a book. Now let us compare the three pictures. Let's differentiate using the word heavier and lighter. Okay, can we have a guest comparison? Okay, based on your observation, so you can say now that the fire truck is heavier than the book. Yes or no? Yes. Another guess. The fire truck is heavier than the pencil. Or we can say that the book is heavier than the pencil also. And we can say also that the pencil is lighter than the book, or the book is lighter than the fire truck. Isn't it? Great job. Okay, so are you ready? Now tell me, which object is the lightest in the picture? Great job, it's the pencil. And how about the object that is heaviest? Yes, great job. It's the fire truck. Now, will you compare the three pictures together? Okay, as one already. Compare it. Any guess? Okay, I know. You are the best. So we can say now that the book is lighter than the fire truck, but pencil is the lightest. We can say also that book is heavier than the pencil, but the fire truck is the heaviest. Okay? Great job. Now, who wants to play a game? I know you are waiting. Okay, get ready and we will have a short game. The first game is, listen very well for the instruction. You need to roll a dice. So the title is Roll the Dice. You need to roll the dice. If it shows 1, 2, or 3, you need to get something that is light from your toys. 1, 2, 3, something that is light. And if it shows 4, 5, 6, bring something heavier. Bring something heavier. Next, if you don't have a dice at your home, you can get it from Google. How? Simply type roll a dice in the search bar and make sure to use the one that is set already. And then, afterwards, you need to arrange your toys in the order from heavier to lighter. That is the first game. So you have the dice and the picture of your toys. Second game. Oh, we have a lot of games today. Second game is balance scale activity. First picture is a balance scale. And the second picture is a hanger scale. If you don't have the first picture, I know we have a lot with the second picture. And I recommend you to use the second picture so that no problem at all. How to do it? Okay, using the cloth hanger. This is now the cloth hanger. Hang 2 cups on both ends. Now, put different objects. Put different objects and find out which is heavy and which one is light. Okay, so you can see now. You can compare now with the two objects, which is heavy and which is light. Okay, now you can go on playing activity 1 and activity 2. You continue and you need to enjoy the game as well as go back with the video clip that we have at the first part of our lesson. Okay? So that's all for today. Thank you so much and have a nice day. Continue playing the games and watching the video clip. Okay? Have a nice day. Bye.